If you want to connect your OPPO Reno 15 Pro to your PC and transfer data, then we have two main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to use a USB cable. You can connect your OPPO Reno 15 Pro to your computer with a USB cable. You can use the same cable that you use for charging your phone, for example, if it fits your computer. And then also you might want to go to notifications once you connect the phone to the computer, and you can find charging this device via USB notification. So we want to tap on this notification and you want to make sure that file transfer is selected over here. You want to switch to file transfer. There we go. Next, on your computer you should be able to find your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, so we can go over here and then we can find our whole storage. So we can go through folders in order to try to find whatever you want to find on your phone, like screenshots and photos and videos and documents, audio files, and so on and so forth. You just have to locate them in these folders, and you can easily transfer files from your computer to your phone and the other way around. The second option is to use the OPPO Connect app. So we can open the settings on our phone, go to device connect, and then in here we can go to PC. Here you can find a little instruction on how to get the OPPO Connect app, but what you need to do is you need to simply go to connect.oppo.com. Over here you should be able to get the app for Windows or Mac OS, and then once you get the app, this is how it looks like, and you can sign into your OPPO account, the same one that you use on your phone, in order to quickly and automatically connect both devices together. You can also do this manually by clicking on connect manually over here. So you will get a QR code that you can scan on your phone over here by using this QR code scanner in the upper right corner. And also what you can try to do is you can tap on add new device, and you might be able to find your computer on this list of nearby devices. You just want to make sure that you use the same Wi-Fi or internet connection on your computer. And then we can select our device and we can quickly connect. So let me quickly do so. There we go. And once we connect, we can go to files that we have on our phone, and as you can see we have the preview of everything that we have in here. We can also go through images, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth, and we can also go through different sources if that is more convenient. Now, here on the right side we can, for example, import files. We can also of course take a look at all these files in here, and you can also save them on PC, copy them, or move them around, and so on and so forth. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.